New direction. Find a new direction. Everybody talk about it. Every year, people be like, New Year, new me. Yep, that's what they all say. And I guess there's many reasons may prompt you to hit the trying to hit the refresh button on your life. Perhaps you are going through divorce, overcoming addiction, healing from a serious injury or illness, or building after an emotional wound like betrayal. Regardless of where you're coming from, you can make the road ahead more rewarding by setting a good foundation. Get a fresh start in your life by figuring out where you want to go. Then adopt small positive change to gradually improve your life. Or if necessary, go to the extreme and implement a major life shift. And to make it happen, there is three main things that you need to do. First and foremost, define your personal value. If you have a desire to reboot your life, it might be because you don't feel like you are living according to your principle. Value are the beliefs, opinions, and ideas that drive your decisions making and serve as foundation for your life. To ensure that your life result get off on the right foot, figure out your value. Perform a self-assessment in order to pinpoint your personal value. Ask yourself, what kind of thing gets you fired up talking about? What would you be willing to sacrifice your life for? If your home was on fire, assuming all living beings have been rescued, what are the three items you would want to take with you? What aspect of your community or the world would you like to change? The second thing, envision your best possible self. To further direct your path, do a visualization exercise. Visualization can be a powerful tool to clarify our desire and move us closer to obtain them. Spend some time imagining who you would like to be in 5, 10, 15 years. Go some quiet place where you can sit without distraction. Close your eyes. Picture in your mind eyes yourself as a specific point in the future, like in a year or 5. Imagine that you are at the peak of your success during this time. You have realized all your goals. What are you doing in your visions? What is your career? What kind of lifestyle do you have? Who are you surrounded by? What do you do for fun? Absorb this image fully, then grab some paper, write down some details about it. What skills or strengths do you need to make these visions a reality? How can you gain these skills? Take a look at your daily choice. It's often said that most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but underestimate what they can do daily. Life consists of weeks, months, years. However, you get there day by day. That means step by step. What's German say? Langsam, langsam. And say, piano. When about the kind of things you do daily, think about it. Do this action or habits lined up with your ultimate goal? Ask yourself that questions. Set a realistic goal. After you have spent the time to envision your dreams and assessing what you are doing daily, you can develop an action plan to bring you closer to where you want to be. What can you do today that get you closer to where you want to be tomorrow? Set a SMART goal that you can break down into small steps. That way, you can take some positive action toward reaching your goal every day. For example, perhaps in the visualization exercise, you saw yourself running your own business. Yep, that's great. I think anybody pray for that. Your ultimate goal may be an entrepreneur, but that's a lofty goal to take all at once. Break your goal down. You might need to develop a business idea, business plan, secure investor, or rent a location to house your business. This place a starting place to move you closer to a large goal, a biggest, like realizing at least your dream or moving toward your dream. This is what I have to say today. So guys, be realistic. Challenge yourself every day and set yourself a goal, even daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, but